Elevate your WordPress content from mere articles to engaging stories by showcasing the brilliant minds crafting them with a professional author bio section. First, let's set up your author profiles directly within WordPress by navigating to Users. Then all users click on the username of the author you want to edit, and you'll see a section for biography. This is where you, or your authors, can input their professional introduction, highlighting their expertise and interests. Beyond the basic bio, WordPress allows you to add social media links. If you scroll down, ensure these are accurate to help readers connect with your authors beyond your site. Remember to save the changes for each author profile. Now, to make these bios shine, we'll leverage your WordPress theme. Many themes have built-in options for author archives. Look in your theme's customization settings, often under a layout or blog section. For author archive display, or similar, here you might find options to control how author bylines appear on your posts. To create dedicated, visually appealing author bio pages and archive layouts, we'll explore using plugins. Search for popular plugins like Simple Author Box or Fancier Author Box in your WordPress plugin directory. After installing and activating your chosen plugin, you'll typically find its settings within the WordPress dashboard. Often under a new menu item, these plugins offer extensive customization, allowing you to add profile pictures, social media icons, and even awards or testimonials for a truly professional look. The plugin will then automatically generate these beautiful author boxes that appear below each of your author's published posts. Or you might have options to manually insert them into pages or sidebars. Experiment with the settings to find the perfect aesthetic that matches your website's branding. For a comprehensive author archive page, which lists all your authors with their bios, many themes or plugins offer dedicated templates. Look for an author archive page option in your theme's settings or within your chosen plugin. This transforms your website into a roster of talent, truly showcasing your team. By implementing these steps, you'll not only boost your website's credibility, but also foster a deeper connection between your readers and the insightful individuals behind your valuable content. Start showcasing your authors today.